Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace head gasket on Nissan Altima, only ways. Begin by disconnecting the battery, draining coolant, and removing the intake to access the cylinder head. Label and bag every bolt and hose to keep parts organized. Use the service manual torque sequence when loosening and tightening to prevent warping. Inspect the head for cracks and have it machined if needed before installing the new gasket. With the engine prepped, remove intake, exhaust, and brackets to free the cylinder head. Loosen head bolts in the reverse order of the tightening sequence a few turns at a time until they spin freely. Carefully lift the head straight up using a partner to prevent rocking and surface damage. Set the head on a clean bench and immediately cover the block to keep debris out while you inspect and clean mating surfaces thoroughly. Prepare mating surfaces by removing old gasket material with non-abrasive cleaner and a lint-free cloth. Verify head flatness. If warped beyond specs, have a machine shop resurface it before proceeding. Install a new head gasket and new head bolts, then follow the precise torque sequence and angle specifications from the repair manual to avoid leaks. Reassemble manifolds and accessories, refill coolant, reconnect.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.